Okay, that is how you use the countersink, guys. So when we make a drill already on this hole, we make a drill on the hole, and then we can put a countersink on the top of that hole. So we make it a hole a little bit bigger, so enough to put the head of screw inside, flush on there. Okay. So let's go to a job setup. Let's go to job setup right here. We're gonna put right here, say 40 on the Y, and then X on 60. And then on the Z, we're just gonna go 5 inches. Then we're gonna check on this display stop. Let's say select OK. Okay, and then we're gonna go to fit the screen and zoom here, and then we're gonna go to isometric here. Okay, gonna go select again, fit the screen right there. And you want to rotate, go ahead and right click on here and select on dynamic spin. You're just gonna use that and rotate it wherever you want to see.